Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right stabilizer so your stitches behave. Choose cutaway for heavy coverage, tear away for simple designs, wash away for sheer cloth. Once decided, layer stabilizer beneath the fabric and hoop them with moderate tension, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch of give, so the fabric sits flat without stretching. Next, mark the design center on both layers, align it in the hoop, and transfer your pattern using a soluble pen or light tracing. This sets the foundation for neat, stable embroidery. Once your piece is hooped and centered, begin stitching with attention to how the stabilizer supports each pass. Anchor threads with small secures that go through the stabilizer so the top stays smooth. Make sure your needle size and thread match the fabric. When filling dense shapes, use shorter stitches to prevent bite-in and distortion. As you work, periodically check hoop tension. If the stabilizer starts to separate or the fabric shifts, stop and re-hoop, because consistent support produces even stitches and cleaner edges. To finish, remove or trim the stabilizer according to type. Cutaway is trimmed close beneath stitches, tear away is peeled gently, and wash away is dissolved in water. Once the excess is gone, press from the back using a protective cloth to set stitches without crushing texture. If you notice puckering, re-hoop with firmer tension or switch to a heavier stabilizer. If stitches pull through, use a denser support or shorten stitch length. These fixes keep your embroidery flat, durable, and professionally finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.